If you have skills like graphic designing, social media marketing, bookkeeping, and a lot more, why not use that skill to make money online? How to do that? Don't skip this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Agnes, and for those who are new here, I hope you get to subscribe my channel. Just click on the subscribe button and the notification bell below so that you will get updated of the new videos. And also for those people out there who find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and share this video too. And right now I'm going to teach you how to use Fiverr. So Fiverr is an online marketplace wherein you can post your gigs, your services. So if you know how to do graphic designing or social media marketing, you can post your services to that marketplace or to that platform and get a client. So this time, before I teach you how to use Fiverr, let me just make a special shout out to my YouTube friends who are the following: Moneta Camacho, Abbas Ahmed, and Smap Villas. I hope you guys would visit their channel and subscribe to their channel too. So right now, let's go and get started. So we are here on my computer, and the first thing we want to do is go to fiverr.com, and then you click on join. Then you create an account using your Facebook, Google, or your email account, and then you click on continue. After that, you will be directed to this page, and it will look like this. Now what you can do here is that you can buy services or sell your services or gigs. How are you going to buy services from Fiverr? So this is what you're going to do. You just click right here, find services, and then you type the services that you want. So say for instance you want somebody to do your YouTube thumbnail, you just type in YouTube thumbnail, and then it will direct you to this page. And as you can see here, there are a lot of people offering this service for $5, $10, and $15. So if you want to become a seller like them and earn money, so here is what you're going to do. So let's go back, and then you just click become a seller. So you just click this one, become a seller, and then you click on continue. And then these are the things that you want to do in order to make a successful Fiverr profile. So you want to read on that, and then click continue. And of course, this is very important. So you have to follow the community standards in this platform. So please take time to read these things right here, and then you click on continue. Here, we need to provide our personal information like our full name, and then also after providing all that details, you just click continue. And then Fiverr would also require us to give our professional information like our occupation, our skills, educational background, and then the certifications that we have, and then we can click on continue. Okay, here to link our accounts like Google, Facebook, Twitter, Dribble, Behance, or Vimeo. Okay, so this is very important so that Fiverr would be able to upgrade our credibility and help us provide more business in the future. Okay, so after doing that, you click on continue, and then have your email address and your phone number verified, and then after that you just click finish. Okay, and after doing that, guys, we are now ready to create your gig. Okay, so what we are going to do here is that we will give a title to our gig or service. So for example, I will do YouTube thumbnail design for you, or I will do smashing YouTube thumbnail design for you. Okay, and then we will select the category, and that should fall to graphics and design, and then we will select the subcategory. So we can select the subcategory here, which is social media design, or you can also click right here. Okay, Now, you can select the file formats you provide in your basic, gig, or extras, like it can be in JPG, PDF, PNG. Okay, and now for the main tag, you may select social media elements that you design, like the cover or header, and in the background. Okay, for the platform, so like select the social media platforms for which you design, like you design for Instagram, uh, Facebook post, okay, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, website, and many more. Okay, now for the search tags is really very important so that your client will be able to find you. So you have to put this very effective tags. Okay, so you are only allowed up to 5 tags. Okay, so say for instance we type in YouTube background, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, and then click enter to add more YouTube video. Okay, YouTube account. Okay, all right, so that's it, and then we click on save and continue. Right here we can create a price for our service. Okay, how much our service would cost. So actually Fiverr has already made 3 packages that we can customize. So if you want this one, you can just customize this one and fill in the fields right here. Okay, but you can also choose not to use the 3 packages right here, like you just want to offer basic plan for your clients. Okay, so you just fill that one up. Okay, so let's try 3 packages. Okay, for the basic plan or package, say for instance we will do 2 YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so this includes up to 2 revisions and will deliver within 24 hours. Okay, and then delivery time will be 1 day, revisions up to 2. And then for the platform, you can for me, for the source file, you can provide them the source file of your design, of which they can maybe edit that one by themselves. Or for me, I would select commercial use. Okay, and I would price my basic plan for $5. Okay, now for the rest of the packages, we will also fill these fields. Okay, say for instance we will make this 4 instead of 2. We will make a premium package instead of 4. We will make it 6. Now we will just copy and paste this one. Okay, and this includes unlimited revisions. Okay, just say that one and then just copy this one just to make our work faster. Okay, but actually this is for illustration purposes, guys, so you can make this more creative and enticing for your clients. Okay, now we will select unlimited, and then so platforms, for the platforms, okay, for platforms then up to 5, and then just click commercial use. And then for my standard package, I would price it to $10, and for my premium $15. Okay, now you can actually add an extra service right here, like you can give your client an option to have an extra fast delivery, so or additional revision aside from the allowable revisions that you include in your package. But for now, I will not use these extra services. Okay, but you can try and explore this one, guys. Okay, now you can click save and continue. Now this time we will describe your gig, okay? So for this one, say for instance for as low as $5, you'll get to smashing YouTube thumbnail designs, okay? But actually you can make this more enticing. Now just after that you can save and continue. Then for this one, we will tell your buyer what you need to get started. So here are the requirements on. So for the first requirement that you want to give them, so after that you just save and continue, okay? Or yeah, we have to add more requirements, okay? And then for requirement number 2, we will paste this one right here. Okay, after that you just click save and continue, and we're almost done. So right here, if you have big photos, you can upload your photos that describe or are related to your gig. So for this one, I will just upload the photos that I have made right here for my Fiverr ad, and then the photos of the thumbnail design that I have created. So say this one, okay, and this one too, okay, just for example. Now if you also have a relevant high quality video that best showcases your gig, you can also add it here, or your gig PDFs, okay? Now after that you just pick this one and then click on save and continue, okay? And we're almost there, so we are now ready to publish our gig, right? And then publish. It's alive now, so anytime soon you can have your first, second, or third client, so be ready for that. So that's it, guys. Okay guys, before I forget, I want to share this to you that Fiverr has this promo which you can get up to $100 credit that you can use to pay for the services that you want to buy in this platform, okay? How to do that? All you need to do is that we switch to buying, and then you click on this one and then click this one, refer, and get up to 100. So this is in the form of credits. Now how are we going to avail of that credit? So the first thing you want to do is that you invite friends to this platform, and then you can send them email to do that, or you can also copy this link right here or share via social, like in Facebook, like you can share it to Facebook or Twitter, okay? Now right here, if you are now right here, after you send or spread the word about Fiverr to your friends or loved ones, when your friend signs up to Fiverr, you will get 20% of their first order amount. And then also your friend, after you sign up, they will get 20% off. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoy this video. So that's Fiverr, and if you want to sign up, it's free, and you can find the link on the description below. And guys, if you have questions or if you want a shout out, just leave a comment, okay? So that's it for now. And guys, by the way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and please click the notification bell below so that you'll get updated of my new videos. So that's it for now. Have a good one.